Hey loves, my name is Brianna. You might know me as Bits of Bri. I make videos for moms and homemakers on my channel, and today you're going to grocery shop, cook, clean, and decorate with me for my Christmas brunch. And I'll share all of my homemaker hacks and recipes to make your holiday brunch amazing. Thank you to Aldi for sponsoring today's video, and if you have any holiday hacks, please let me know while you watch this video down in the comments. I'm here at Aldi. I'm gonna pick up everything that I need to make my Christmas brunch recipes, and then we'll go home, we'll clean, we'll decorate the table, and cook all of the foods so that you know all of the recipes in case you wanna make any for a holiday brunch that you're having this year too. And don't forget to click that thumbs up if you enjoy this video today, but come along and grocery shop with me at Aldi first. And if you've never shopped at an Aldi, don't forget, bring a quarter with you so that you can get a cart. You get your quarter back when you return your cart. And bring your own bags with you. If you forget, they had huge ones at the store. I actually grabbed one for myself. But Aldi makes an effort to be environmentally conscious, and they've cut all of the costs possible in order to offer fresh produce daily at the lowest cost. And I honestly could not believe the grand total for all of the groceries that I needed for this Christmas brunch menu. Just wait and see. But on my Christmas brunch menu, I'm making a breakfast casserole, a strawberry Bavarian ice, a kiwi Christmas tree, bacon, scrambled eggs, crescent rolls, cinnamon rolls, and mimosas. These recipes can serve 8 to 10 people, so just so you know that when you're planning out how much to get. And I will show you how I make everything later in the video, and you're gonna get to clean and decorate with me for my Christmas brunch tablescape. But when I was at Aldi, the products are just so high quality, and seriously, it is my go-to for all of the organic produce and food that I need to entertain and for baking this holiday season because they've got unbeatable prices. I know everyone's looking for easy tips and hacks to simplify the season. Go to Aldi. So all the items that I got at Aldi, if you want to make this exact shopping list for this brunch menu, was a package of kiwis and raspberries, 2 loaves of whole wheat bread, 2 pounds of Italian sausage, 1 pound of bacon, shredded Colby Jack cheese, organic cage-free eggs, orange juice, a carton of Friendly Farms milk, Bakehouse crescent rolls and cinnamon rolls, cooking spray, salt and pepper, 2 cans of mushroom soup, 2 packages strawberry gelatin, whipped topping, frozen strawberries, champagne. I also got some eggnog, candy canes, and roses to decorate the house too. I've checked my list about 3 times now. I think I have everything I need, so I'm gonna check out and we can go home and start cooking. I also think this would be a great place to pick up the ingredients that you need for baking this holiday season. They had everything for making Christmas cookies at a much more affordable price. And when I checked out, I could not believe that everything came to $65. That's all? Yep. Wow, okay. I'm honestly blown away that everything I needed for this brunch was under $70. Like, that's insane. I have never spent that little on Christmas brunch, so I was really impressed. And I know I haven't cooked it all yet, but I've got to tell you, everything tasted amazing. The produce was so fresh, such good quality. So save on your holiday favorites with help from Aldi. And if you shop at Aldi or make any of my recipes in this video, please tag me on Instagram at bitsofbri so that I can share. All right, time to get cooking, so let's make this delicious holiday brunch food together. There are 2 dishes you should prepare the day before. First, I'm going to make the strawberry Bavarian ice. Make sure that you have a bundt cake mold if you'd like for this to turn out like mine, or a fun hack, you could make these in mini mason jars or wine glasses in more individual servings, but I make the strawberry gelatin according to the package directions, and then I fold in the whipped topping with a whisk before I pour it into the mold. And a little hack, I spray my bundt pan with cooking spray, and it just makes it easier to remove the gelatin the next day, but you refrigerate this overnight. And the next day, I pop the frozen strawberries into the microwave for 1.5 minutes until they get a little juicy in the bowl. And I serve this on the side to scoop over the Bavarian ice mold. And a serving hack, part of this dish I feel like is the presentation. So I put the mold on the cake stand when I serve it just to kind of pretty it up. And another hack, I'm sure you could use orange gelatin or any other flavor that you like for this recipe too, so don't be afraid to change it up. And Also, don't forget to tag me if you make this recipe. Second dish we're making is the breakfast casserole. Coat your 13 by 9 inch baking dish with cooking spray, then tear up 1.5 loaves of bread into 1 to 2 inch chunks while you brown your sausage on the stove. Once the sausage is browned on all sides, cool, cut the sausage into 1 inch slices and then place those on top of the bread in the dish. Next, you want to sprinkle the package of Colby Jack cheese evenly over the sausage, then scoop the 2 cans of the cream of mushroom soup over the dish, and in a separate bowl, whisk together 4 eggs with 1 cup of milk, salt, and pepper. And then you want to pour this over the casserole, but one little cooking hack for while you're doing this, I'll take a utensil and make little holes around the soup so that the milk and egg mixture doesn't slide right off of the soup, but it goes down to be absorbed by the bread mixture, which is what you want it to do. And you want to cover your baking dish with foil. Don't use the actual lid if you have a baking dish like mine. And you want to refrigerate it overnight, because then the next day you'll bake this at 375 degrees for 1 hour, and then you want to remove the foil and bake it for 15 more minutes. This breakfast casserole is seriously so delicious. I know you and your family will love it for any brunch. Again, don't forget to tag me if you make this. And another viewer mentioned before in another recipe I was sharing, if you don't like cream of mushroom soup, you could use a cream of cheddar soup, or any other cream-based soup would work for this. All right, before we cook the rest of the food, I'm gonna do a little cleanup of the kitchen counters and dining room, take down the Thanksgiving decor, and wipe down the dining room table. And by the way, if you'd like my Christmas brunch menu planning printable, you can sign up for my newsletter on my blog, sign up with your email, and I will send it to you for free to print off so that you can stay organized. And decor hack, I use a wreath hanger on a mirror or a picture frame. I'm gonna hang a red berry wreath on this mirror in here, but I just love it. It's a simple way and adds a touch of festivity. And then I got some red plaid placemats. I'm also laying out a green garland with some red berries on it and some little bottle brush Christmas trees, and using this for the center of the Christmas brunch tablescape. I have white plates, and I got some gold disposable utensils. So the place settings will be red and white with pops of gold metallics. And I also found some red and white striped napkins, and I got these little twist tie bows in the gift wrap section of the store. And I fold all of the napkins in half. This is my little napkin folding hack. Then I make a 1 inch fold, and you keep doing that in an opposite direction each time. My mom taught me how to do this when I was little, and it was always my job to fold the napkins like this for the Christmas brunch at our house. But it makes a really pretty fan-shaped napkin, especially with the bow twisted on in the place of the napkin ring. And you can set these right on the plates, and it really helps decorate the tablescape. Decor hack, if you get some varying candle heights, it can make your tablescape look really beautiful. So I got some red candlesticks, red candles, and some gold jingle bells, and I scattered them around the garland and the trees just to add some depth and dimension and dress up the table for Christmas brunch. And I'm also curious, what are your traditions for your Christmas Eve and Christmas? What meals do your families make, or what day do you open presents? I always like to hear how other people celebrate. We usually just go to church Christmas Eve, and I make our Italian feast with the kids at our house, and we just do the night before Christmas reading and leave cookies out for Santa. And then Christmas morning, we open presents, and then we'll have this brunch with my side of the family. And then Christmas dinner we usually do with Adam's side of the family. So it's very special for me to share this Christmas brunch with you, because I have such fond memories of helping my mom and celebrating Christmas morning as a family and eating all of these yummy dishes. So here's the final tablescape. Let me know in the comments if you like the decorations.
I could wash my hands, but still would
All right, I have done everything that I can do today. So tomorrow morning I will be getting my cooking on and whip up everything else for the brunch. All right, it is the next morning. I've got my coffee going and I'm gonna finish everything else for the brunch. So the next morning is when I make all of the other foods so that it's fresh. So starting with the crescent rolls and cinnamon rolls, which I just followed the directions for baking them right on the package. Then I will fry up my package of bacon. And I'll make the scrambled eggs, but adding in some milk and salt and pepper, and then I scramble them in the pan. Then for the kiwi tree, this is so easy, but this is another one that's just all about the cute presentation. Get a plain white platter so that this really pops, but remove the skins of 5 kiwis and slice them up thinly. Then you want to reserve a piece of kiwi skin that's cut in the shape of a rectangle to be your Christmas tree trunk. But you want to put the sliced kiwis in the shape of a Christmas tree and then have that kiwi skin trunk at the bottom, and then decorate the tree with raspberries to look like little ornaments. And one thought I had, I didn't do this, but if you get a star fruit, you could make then a star at the top of the tree. And now for the mimosas, I'm pouring champagne glasses with half orange juice and half Prosecco. And then I took some leftover kiwi slices and a raspberry and I put them on the rim of the glasses as a garnish. Just a fun little hack to kind of dress up your glasses too. All right, now it's time to light the candles and enjoy this delicious Christmas brunch. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click the thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe and check out some of my other videos before you leave YouTube today. And don't forget, tag me if you shop at Aldi or if you make any of these delicious recipes. I can't wait for you to try them and share them with your family too. And thanks again to Aldi for sponsoring this video. Bye, love. Waking up next to you, we'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night.